If you want to get rich, ignore these 5 types of people. 5 types of people to avoid if you want to get rich. While there's no one-size-fits-all formula for wealth, surrounding yourself with the right people can significantly impact your financial journey. Here are 5 types of people to be cautious of. The constant complainer. These individuals find fault in everything and everyone. Their negativity can drain your motivation and hinder your progress. It's important to surround yourself with positive, optimistic people who believe in your potential. The energy vampire. These individuals are always seeking attention and drama. They thrive on negativity and will try to pull you down with them. Limit your interactions with people who constantly complain about their problems and refuse to take responsibility for their lives. The know-it-all. While it's important to learn from others, be wary of those who constantly try to one-up you or dismiss your ideas. Surround yourself with people who are open to new ideas and willing to learn from others. The time waster. These individuals are always looking for excuses to avoid work or responsibility. They will waste your time and energy with pointless conversations and distractions. Focus on building relationships with people who are productive and goal-oriented. The toxic friend. These individuals are often jealous of your success and will try to sabotage your efforts. They may spread rumors about you, undermine your ideas, or simply try to bring you down. It's important to distance yourself from people who are not supportive of your goals. Remember, your network is your net worth. By surrounding yourself with positive, motivated, and supportive people, you'll increase your chances of achieving your financial goals.